Good afternoon, it's Ed at R U Cars. It's also Hugo today. Today we've got this 2008 BMW E61. It's a 525i M Sport Touring, 63,000 miles, 7 services and finished in carbon black. It's an LCR model. It's got the bi-xenon lights, which are adaptive also. It's got the 18-inch MV2 alloys. Hugo's just adjusting his shoes there, look. It's got the privacy glass, panoramic roof, the black Dakota leather. Very clean and tidy down the sides. Split tailgate, all working, as you can see. And that does open, Hugo. I'll open that in a second. Yeah, very tidy. Overall, there are some bird dropping etchings on the bonnet and the roof, but they're not that bad. They look far worse in this artificial light. Really not worth painting the bonnet and the roof. So we'll show you inside. Really big boot. Got the split floor with the compartments under there. Got your load cover. And overall, very tidy and presentable. As I've shown you, got the split hatch. Inside is very presentable. In fact, it's absolutely mint. It's got the Isofix, twin pan roof, the large centre armrest with cup holders and extra storage. Very nice. In the front, again, excellent condition. Minimal wear to the bolster. The 3-spoke steering wheel. Your folding mirrors, your electric windows, auto lights and wipers. This one's got the brushed aluminium trim with the cup holders. And if I can get the key out of my pocket, I'll show you it starting. There we go. All starts, no warnings. Hugo's just going to join us in the car. He's just finished school. He's coming to help with the video. So as you see, there are no warnings. The vehicle's done 63,506 miles. It's got the media and iDrive Pro Nav. Don't know if the disc's in it. Let's have a look. Navigation. There we go. So as you can see, we're on Meadow Lane in Loughborough. Got the Bluetooth as well. Got your FM, AM, CD and auxiliary input. You can get a little Bluetooth adapter for the auxiliary input if you wish. All your climate controls just there. Heated seats, driver and passenger. The dual climate control, ashtray with a cigarette lighter that's never been used.
So if the cars have that?
Some cars do have that, you're right, Hugo. Got the cup holders.
Do you know one of the cars had that?
Did it?
Yeah.
Auxiliary input and USB in there. And that's about it. If you would like to view the vehicle, give us a call on 01509 267 111. We'll get you booked in for a test drive. Thanks for watching.